Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about Ripple XRP, and we're also going to address a popular statement that is being made in the crypto community, which is XRP is going to pretty much pump overnight to these astronomical levels and pretty much surprise everybody. And we've been hearing this for a very long time, and we're actually going to address how we get to that point, or what will actually happen in regards to that, and also talk pretty much a little bit about a few tweets in regards to that statement. So with that being said, let's refresh this coin market cap. So we are up about 2.66%, up to about a $2.33 trillion market cap. We do see Bitcoin ranging over the 51.6K zone, which is very good to see. We also see Ethereum almost making its move to 4K. We also see XRP over that $1.31 zone, which is very important actually for us. So things are actually looking very, very bullish. So let's actually talk about a few things in regards to XRP. So first and foremost, check out this tweet here. We see XRP bag holders, if you get a nice pump, use it to finally dump your bags. Even if you still hold some hope, XRP is not useless. Ask yourselves only this: can a centralized project be relevant in the new DeFi crypto world? If you're thinking yes, then there is really no hope. Like, I don't understand what these people think when they're actually saying stuff like this. Obviously, this is probably just some clout reaching or something like that, but overall, this entire statement is exactly what we've been hearing for XRP for a very long time. It's centralized, it's this, that, and honestly, it's just absolutely funny to me when we hear hate or any just FUDs being spread about XRP, when we already know that, realistically speaking, even if we go over to here to XRP, we are up significantly on the year. For an example, if we go to, let's actually go to the whole year, low and high, we were at 17 cents 1 year ago, and now we are at, well, our high was $1.96, and we are at $1.30. So I don't know. Do with that what you will. We are up significantly overall, and yeah, I think that this is one of those assets where everybody will hate on it until they miss out on it, and then they will want to buy in. But it's going to be way too late for a lot of these individuals to actually get into a project like XRP when it finally moves. So we also see here, starting to feel that everything is pumping but XRP vibe. I learned that it either it moons hard now or dumps to make us feel hopeless and then pumps even harder. I do think that we are about to see a major move with XRP, and I'm actually going to be talking to you guys about that very shortly in this video. But trust me, you guys are going to want to pay attention to XRP very, very soon, if not right now. We also see here, do you remember when Ethereum went from $1 to $1,400? When XRP went from a fraction of a cent, it's half a cent, to $3.40. When Dash went from $2 to $1,600. When BNB went from 75 cents to 685 cents. These mega pumps don't happen often, but when they do, they move fast. You do not want to miss the next one, right? And they're talking about QNT, but realistically speaking, XRP is about to really, really moon. I think that XRP right now, a lot of people are going to be looking back at these prices that we are currently seeing at $1.31 and just be like, I can't believe that we were able to buy it at that price. Let's see here, XRP all-time chart on the monthly. Just watch what happens with XRP price from September till December at the 2013 and 2017 Bitcoin bull runs. Buckle up, friends, XRP. And yes, this is exactly what I've been actually watching as well, past market cycles. We do see here this 2013 bull run from September to December, it was a 10x. We even see here from 2014, 2015, it's all 10x here, right? So here's a 10x in 2017, 2018. We even see, pretty much 2019 is ranging. This is that nice low pattern. But we also see 2020. Here's 2020 again. And then here's 2021, where we will expect that 10x to at least $10 plus, almost ranging to that $13 zone. Now, in regards to this, I also think that we could see $15 to $25. I think that this is actually great to see and actually analyze, because overall, this is that great overall pump that we've been seeing every single September to December. So I think that this is a great analysis overall of the TA for it. And I do think that it will make a lot of sense, especially if we do 10x from our current prices. Now we also see here, expect that XRP trading volume to increase significantly in a blink of an eye. A lot of people think that it's going to happen just overnight. It's going to happen tomorrow. They're going to flip the switch and all of a sudden it's going to be this, that. I think that it takes a while to even get to that point, but still, I think the idea or the concept behind this, right? First off, we're seeing a lot of patterns play out with XRP. For an example, this nice huge candle here, which brought us to about $3 plus, pretty much all-time high in 2017, 2018. It's basically the same pattern that we're playing out right now if you realistically look at it, right? And this is the idea of that blink of an eye, right? Because everybody thinks that it's just going to happen tomorrow. It's going to happen the next day. Like even this, right? We do see here, the new financial system is upon us. XRP will melt faces overnight. Now, I've actually heard this statement being thrown out a lot. Now, in regards to this overnight, sensation sort of, quote people are saying all the time, it's not the fact that it's going to happen overnight. It's going to happen fast, and it's going to feel like it happened overnight, but it's actually not going to happen just overnight. For an example, with XRP, just 1 year ago, you could have put 17, at 17 cents, you could put whatever amount of cash you would have put in, and you would have at least 100x, right? Or 10x, I mean. Now, it's one of those things where I do think that you'll 100x, obviously, this year if we do hit those $15 to $25 targets. But I'm just saying, making that amount of money in a year span, it's going to feel like it happened overnight because you're going to be making more money than most people actually make at a job, at a career, at this, that, whatever the case may be. I just don't think that, overnight they're going to flip the switch and all XRP holders are going to be rich. They wouldn't want that, right? It's going to happen slow and it's going to be drawn out. And the reason why they are going to do that is because they want as many people out as they possibly can get. They don't want 3 million plus individuals, becoming the next 1%. They want to shake everybody out. That is what we're seeing with the SEC lawsuit. That is what we're seeing with a lot of FUD being spread. And it is the case of the idea a lot of people will still miss out, for an example like this. But it's still the idea that we need to, be aware of what's actually happening, right? So, in regards to that, I also want to show you guys this. Now, listen closely as we do listen into this, because this is the overnight sort of concept, what will happen. But again, it's the idea that it's not going to happen overnight, but it will happen pretty fast. XRP, the holy grail. First, get banks connected on RippleNet to settle with fiat, then get them to source liquidity using XRP, then get them to hold XRP directly, holy grail. Del Reo, ex-Ripple employee. Now listen closely.
No, so as I said, the X-current product, the way it's implemented today, uses fiat currencies. So the convergence that we see coming in the next phase is for banks to have an option to say, do I want to use XRP? So instead of the German bank holding Turkish lira, they could say, Akbank, are you able to accept XRP and give me Turkish lira? Here's 100 lira worth of XRP. Here's 1 million lira worth of XRP. And instantly that can be settled without having to hold balances. So that's the holy grail. That's the ultimate end goal that we're aiming for. But if you don't have connectivity, you can't even start. So first you get the banks connected. They do what they're doing today better. They like it. They build new services on it. Then they go, I want to do this in 100 countries, but I can't hold currencies in 100 countries. Well, guess what? You got XRP. So it's a phase strategy, but that's the way banking works.
So again, it's the whole idea that it's going to take time, right? We have to get them connected using RippleNet to help connect their services to other banks through interoperable capabilities. Then we also get them to source the liquidity using XRP, and then that's when we get them to hold XRP directly. Now, this is not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen next week. It's not going to happen next month or anything like that. It's going to take some time to build it, but that is the end game process right there. So when we hear, it's going to happen overnight, it's not going to happen overnight, but it's going to feel like it. Now, in regards to XRP's price chart, right? So we just retested that nice $1.35 zone again. We are breaking up to about $1.30 right now. In regards to this, overall, we just need to break $1.35 and actually hold above it, which is this price target right here. Now, once we get above here, we want to hold it. We don't want to break down below it. Right now, even if we go to the cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, we do see Bitcoin ranging to a new high, or I should say almost making a new high, because realistically speaking, if we came over to Bitcoin's right now price chart, we can actually see that we did make a new high. We are actually holding here, but we are about to test 52K. Once we break 52K and actually get above the current levels, even going back to the March drop, I think that is where a lot of things will happen, especially even in regards to XRP's price chart as well. But we are looking very bullish, and I even said that earlier today on my HBAR video, that a lot of these price targets and a lot of these price charts look extremely healthy. This looks great for a breakout of $1.35. If we could actually break up to this zone, again, this is where we trade sideways in April, or trade it sideways in April, and we had that next major breaking point to retest $2. Now, do I think that we get to $2 very soon? Yes, I do think that that happens by the middle to the end of September. I even said it multiple times. The fall will be incredible. Into winter, where we see November and December, it all goes back to that original price chart that we were talking about, right? Where is it? This one, right? So September to December, all of fall into winter, is absolutely incredible for crypto, especially even XRP. As we even see, this is all of XRP here, and it's all 10x every single bull run. So as we even go through the bear market, prices just kind of remain stable. They remain sideways. But then the bull market, we always 10x from the September to the December price targets. So realistically speaking, we could expect a 10x here to $13 to $12, whatever the case may be. So realistically, I still think that we could have a higher price target this bull run. I think that we can go higher than 10x, and the reason why I say that is because when we talk about that, right, there's a lot more money involved this year than 2017, 2018, and even going back to 2013 especially. So, who knows? Do I think that we could 10x from here? Yeah, definitely. I think that we can get to $13. I think that we could even get to $15. I think that we can get to $17 and so forth. So with that being said, XRP looks extremely bullish right now. Do I think that it's going to pump and melt faces overnight? Not exactly, but I do think that it will feel like that once we get to that point. So I'm holding XRP long term. I am going to be selling during the bull market and buying back in the bear market. Hey, if I miss out, I miss out, but that is me. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. If you guys want more free content, you guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. I hope that you all have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. This has been Nick. Peace out, guys.